Have you ever had problems within your life and you really need a hack to do it, but you're really on a budget? Well, don't worry, because in this video, we're going to be talking about 10 DIY hacks that you can do for under $5. Number 10, dull pencil. Don't you hate just having a dull pencil? Well, we have a solution for you. You'll need a nail polisher. All you need to do is go ahead and start scraping the dull pencil on the polisher and eventually it'll sharpen. But you may have to sharpen it more than the average pencil sharpener, but if you don't have one, this will do. Number 9, noodles way too long? We have a solution for you. Start off by picking up some noodles with your fork, and now you have some scissors with you. Cut a part of which you can't handle and repeat that step until you're done eating them. The process can get annoying, but it avoids messes. Number 8, draw a perfect circle. To start off, grab 2 pencils and tie them together with a hair tie. Separate them a bit and get another pencil and place it on the bottom. Now, making it look like the letter A, you do that, get 2 more hair ties and tie it together. Now, with one hand, place it on the paper and start spinning it around. Eventually, you'll have the perfect circle. Number 7, creative planter. For this one, all you need is a balloon, some glitter, and some glue. First off, pour the glitter all into the bowl and use some glue to mix in. Then, pour this all over a blown up balloon and wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, pop the balloon and you have somewhere to put your adorable plants. Number 6, lazy signature. For people who are stuck with writing so many agreements and signatures, if you have to do it back to back, we have a way to spend less time. Get a piece of tape and lay it on the table and get 3 pens and lay them on the tape. With that, tape them together and now you can write your signature 3 times. Number 5, shopping cart that requires coins. Let's say you're all out of coins to insert into the cart. Did you know you can use the front of your key for this? It sounds insane, but it's the same size, so the cart actually thinks it's a coin still. It's very cool, but make sure to ask the workers before you do this. Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so that you never miss out on a future video from us. Number 4, lazy drawing. Now here we are with another time, just like number 6 on our list. All you need to do is tape 5 markers together and write on a board. It's simple. You can write on the board as many times as you want. Number 3, people with long hair. If you have an extra shirt, pull it up whenever you're eating, and that's pretty much it. It's a super cheap hack and allows you to not get your hair into your food. Number 2, a cute jewelry holder. For this one, you need some modeling clay. First, put your hand onto the modeling clay once it's all rolled out and trace your shape of your hand with a pencil. Then, once that's done, use a knife to cut out the shape and put it around a ball form. We used a little bowl. Then, let this dry, and once it's done, you have a cute little place to hold all of your jewelry. Number 1, lemon dried out? When your lemon's dried out, all you need to do to fix it is place it in a water bowl and leave it in there for 2 hours. It's cheap, easy, and when you take it out, it should be good as new. Guys, a lot of these projects that are amazing hacks are so cheap. Some don't even cost any money. So all you need to do is use these hacks and you will be on your way. Guys, what do you think of these hacks? Did you enjoy them? Have you ever used any of them before we told you? But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Stay tuned for all of our next content.